Hi, my name is Francesco Galluccio. I'm a nuclear engineer and I successfully defended my PhD thesis last month. My research project was the result of a doctoral partnership between Politecnico di Milano and the European Commission's Joint Research Center of Ispro site. This relied on a strong cooperation of universities and companies and the partners within PREDI's project in which this work was involved. The greenest at the back end of a nuclear facility life cycle is today pursued by developing a well-established disposal route for some challenging waste, and by monitoring long-lived hard-to-measure radionuclides. In the inventory of a contaminated site, cesium-135 calls for monitoring for its long half-life and its high mobility in the environment. Two radiochemical methods were designed and optimized to mainly purify cesium from barium, the most critical interference that hampers an accurate quantification of cesium by sensitive mass spectrometry. A quick and efficient method was found, and a collision cell will allow the removal of residual barium and an accurate quantification of cesium by the popular and versatile ICP mass technology. To tackle the past issues of a direct waste encapsulation, a phantom-like wet oxidation was mainly developed as a green alternative solution to manage a mixed resin bed before encapsulating the obtained residue into a sustainable geopolymer matrix. An experimental setup was arranged to trigger decomposition of organics by using cheap and green reagents. The process was monitored and characterized, and the fine-tuning of the operating parameters was paramount to implement a scale-up. A geopolymer matrix was chosen for its excellent performances, cheapness, and greenness. This is based on the alkali activation of aluminosilicate precursors, such as industrial byproducts and natural zeolitic materials. The durability of the obtained waste forms was tested according to the waste acceptance criteria. An advanced decontamination process was improved to reuse and recycle superficially contaminated metallic materials. Some compounds were tested to enhance the precipitation stage of the process to reuse spent phosphoric acid and concentrate contamination into a durable iron phosphate glass matrix. After preliminary tests, some compounds were chosen to carry out a single and a double-stage electrochemical precipitation at lab scale. The decontamination yield was then improved. In this challenging and exciting journey, I had the opportunity to attend interesting conferences and to share knowledge with colleagues and the leading experts. Meanwhile, I had the chance to prove myself as co-supervisor of different Master of Science theses. Thank you for your attention.